Hi guys, welcome to ATUM Premium. Thank you very much for your purchase. We all hope it will help you improve your business. Let me show you how to activate your new license. Navigate to your site admin. Find the ATUM inventory menu. Click the add-ons submenu to reveal all available ATUM Premium extensions. Look for the one you just purchased and click the blue Show/Hide the license key icon. Your action will open a field where you want to copy the license code. If you do not have the code yet, go back to our website and log into your account. Hover over the profile picture and click on My Add-ons Licenses. Copy the license code and go back to the field in your site admin. Paste it in and click the Validate button. The system will check if your license is active and process the validation. Click the Activate button within the pop-up that shows after successful verification. This action will activate the license for your site's URL. Remember, you have 2 available activations if you want to work on your staging site first. The very next step is to hit the green Install button. When successful, it will install and activate the add-on for your site. Now you are all done. Enjoy!